March may come in like a lion, but it also starts the gardening season. You may be working your own garden plot at home, but for many Tacoma residents, community gardening is a great way of meeting your neighbors while putting some great food on your table.
It's spring, and more than 90 community gardens are scattered among the Tacoma and Pierce County region, just waiting for planting. You may have seen gardeners till the soil, yank up pesky weeds, and watering the future family meals, all with smiles and expectations of a good harvest.
It's where community members come together to grow food. They might have different plots, grow in the ground. A lot of the 96 gardens that you may see around Pierce County are comprised of very different styles of gardening.
Finding a garden in your area is an easy task. Just reach out to the Harvest Pierce County website.
So we have a form on our Harvest Pierce County website that folks can submit their information, and we will do our best to play matchmaker.
Community gardens are neighborhood resources in so many ways, from food to just getting to know your own community.
First and foremost, I think, are the friendships that are cultivated.
Every community gardener has a reason for growing your own food. It's a matter of your own background, eating choices, and simply what tastes good.
So many of the gardens, folks are growing their traditional foods from their homelands. It might be the main source of food for them throughout the year, and then they preserve it for the winter months.
Some community gardeners go one step further in supplementing food. They prefer simply donating their harvested produce to food banks.
There are so many benefits and ways that community members are giving back right now, and the community garden is one way that they're doing that.
Maybe planting an idea into a productive family activity might be fun for all while creating some tasty, wholesome foods. Sure beats mowing the lawn, doesn't it? For Tacoma Report, I'm Dave Gordon.